How are the preparations going on?
Good, ma'am.
Okay. What addition you made in your preparations?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am, like same.
Okay.
Ma'am, like we have Friday, Saturday, like holiday in our school.
Okay. बड़ा अच्छा school है भी.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a good school. It gives you 2 holidays every week.
No, ma'am, like Friday is Shivratri and Saturday is like second Saturday.
Okay. Only this week.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I thought every week you have 2
No,
holidays. Friday is Mahashivratri, then your exams are on 13th.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, which chapter you want to revise today? Let's begin.
Ma'am,
Yes,
anything
Rishi?
is fine.
Anything?
Ma'am, ask any other one, like.
Okay, Soumya is here now. Good evening, Soumya.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, Soumya, tell me which chapter you want to revise. Any chapter where you are facing difficulty? Any topic?
Ma'am, ratio and proportion.
Ratio and proportion. Okay, which part, ratio or proportion?
Ma'am, both.
Both. Okay, we'll revise ratio and proportion. Okay. Okay. Think of other topics also, whatever revision you want. Okay. Whichever topic you are finding difficult, we'll discuss that. Okay, coming to ratio and proportion. I'm sharing the screen. 1 second. Just hold on. Okay. Ratio proportion. You said no. Let me check where is ratio and proportion. Here. Okay. See, book sums. Any particular exercise in the book, or I'll give you some sums from my side for practice. Yes, Soumya. Is there any sum that you find difficult? Any sum, any example? Hello.
Ma'am,
Yes, Soumya. Just go through all the exercises. See, this is exercise 12.1. Are you there, Soumya? Soumya, are you here?
yes, ma'am.
See, this is the first exercise. Is there any question that you find difficult? So I'll just practice with you. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. I'll just.
Huh. We'll do few sums from the exercises and some I'll give you from my side for practice, as we did yesterday, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Soumya, you are saying something. You were looking at something.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the 7th question.
Exercise
Exercise 12.1.
12.1. This is 12.1, 7th question. Okay, this is 7th question. Okay, I'll just, clear the space first, okay? So that it's easy to understand. So many things are written here, no? I'll just clear all this. Okay, by the time you read question number 7, both of you please read. Read in your mind. Okay. This is 7th question. Okay, pay attention. Find the ratio of the following. 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. You have to find the ratio here. Now ratio of 30 minutes. See, I have told you, Soumya, whatever is written first, that thing should come as a numerator. Okay? Okay, Soumya? Okay, Soumya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 30 minutes, look here, 30 minutes and 1.5 hours. Okay. Now, see, the units are different. Now, I want to make them to same unit. Then what will I do? What will I do, Soumya? To make them to same unit, it's
Ma'am.
better if I reduce the decimal point, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Decimal point हटा देते हैं. Our work will be easier. So let this be 30 minutes only. And when if I convert 1.5 hours to minutes, that means how much it will be? In 1 hour, I have 60 minutes. So in 1.5 hours, I have how many minutes? 1.5 into 60. Is it? Tell
Yes.
me the answer, Soumya. Multiply and tell me.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 1.5 into 1. Ma'am, 90.
90. Okay, so this becomes 90 minutes. So in place of 1.5 hour, I will write here 90 minutes. Okay, you understood
Yes,
this
ma'am.
much, Soumya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I have to reduce this to lower fraction. No? This is the
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
hello, hello, children.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, can you hear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
there is bit a power cut here, so the connection will be delicate now and will be unstable also. Okay, let me share. 1 second. Just hold on. Mhm. 1 second. Can you see now? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anytime the connection can go with bitches because my side today there is power problem is there. Since morning. Okay. So this is the ratio that we have got. Okay. Right, Soumya?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's see the other one. Can you try the other one now?
Sure, ma'am.
What will you take as a numerator? Which one will be the denominator? Yes, Rishit, you also do. Rishit is there?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please do, bachche.
Okay.
ma'am, 40 centimeter will be the numerator.
Yes, 40 centimeter is the numerator.
And 1.5 meter is the
One-
denominator.
Denominator, very good. Now what will you do?
Ma'am, we'll have to convert 1.5 meter into centimeter.
Yes, very good. Good. To do that, convert 1.5 centimeter to meter to centimeter and find the ratio.
Ma'am, it's 150.
150. Okay, 150 centimeters. Okay. Then find the ratio in the lowest form.
Ma'am, sir, same answer.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
One second. Let wait. Let Soumya do. Rishit, by the time
Ma'am,
you
I
do
did it.
the other question.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, Soumya, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 4 by 15.
4 by
4
15.
is to 15.
Very good. See, we cancel the zeros here and there is nothing common between 4 and 15. No? So the ratio is 4 and 15. 4 is to 15.
Ma'am,
Okay.
shall I say the C1?
C1, okay, tell.
Ma'am, 11 is to 20.
Okay, this is 55 paise and 1 rupee. In the
100.
1 rupee is 100 paise. Okay, so what is the
Five.
ratio?
Ma'am, 11 is to 20.
11 is to 20. Great. Okay, so this is the ratio. Okay, Soumya, 11 fives are,
Yes, ma'am.
sorry, 5 11s are and 5 20. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Soumya, you do the D part. Rishit, you do the next question number 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the 500 ml will take as 500 ml will take as numerator
Yes, that will be numerator.
and 2 liters as denominator.
Yes, very good.
So we'll have to convert 2 liters into ml.
Yes, you should always convert it to smaller unit. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Ma'am, I got the 8th question, A1.
8th A part. Okay. In a year, Seema earns 1,50,000. Sorry. And saves rupees 50,000. Find the ratio of money that Seema earns to the money
Ma'am, shall I
she
say?
saves. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
3 is to 1.
3 is to 1. Okay. Very nice. Good, Bachche. Good, Rishit. Do the next also.
Ma'am, I got as 200.
What did you get?
Wait, 1 minute, ma'am.
Tell me 1
Ma'am, 0.02.
for this D part.
Yes, ma'am.
0 point. See, this is 500 ml and 2 liter is how many milliliters? 2000 milliliter, is it?
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
In 1 liter, there are 1000 milliliters. So, 2 zeros cancel here. 1 is to 4. 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. So, you get 1 is to 4. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the eighth question B part answer.
Okay, good. So, may I do the 9th question?
Ma'am,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
B part, like the answer is 3:2.
Answer is 3 is to 2. Okay, money that she saves to the money she spends. Okay. That means how much money she is spending?
Ma'am,
1
1
lakh
lakh.
50,000 minus this. So that is 1 lakh.
Yes, ma'am.
And
So zeros cancel.
so 50,000 upon 1 lakh. Money she saves to the money she spends. So money she saves is
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
50,000.
I thought what she earns.
This is 50,000 she's saving. And she spends is 1 lakh. So that will be 1 is to 2.
Yes, ma'am. 1:2.
Okay. Soumya, do the 9th one. Rishit, do 10th. Then we'll go to next. No, we have more sums here.
Ma'am, I did the 9th one.
Very nice. What is it?
Ma'am, 17 is to 550.
9th question. There are 102 teachers in a school of 3,300 students. Find the ratio of number of teachers to the number of students. So teachers are 102 and students are 3,300. You have to find the ratio. So just check if they can go with any number. Can they go? This is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
ratio. They can go because both are even numbers. Okay. So whatever you get in the lowest form, that becomes your final answer. Okay.
Now I
Yes,
got
ma'am.
the 10th one, A and B, both the answers.
Okay.
Ma'am, A1,
Yes.
I got it as 115 is to 216.
Huh.
And B1, I got it as 101 is to 115.
Okay. Good. Good. It's already done here, so I'll just put tick. Okay. Good. Okay. Yes. Moving further. Let's see this one. Question number 12. Soumya, Rishit, both of you do this question number 12.
Okay.
Cost of a dozen pens is rupees 180 and the cost of 8 ball pens is rupees 56. Find the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. Please do it.
Ma'am, I got my answer. Ma'am, shall I say? Ma'am, you're in mute.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, tell Rishit. What did you do?
And first, to find the cost of dozen pens, like
Yes.
to find the cost of one pen,
Hmm.
so I divided 12 with 180.
Huh.
So I got 15.
180 with 12.
Yes,
180
ma'am.
you divided
180 with
180 by 12.
Yes, ma'am. So I got the cost of one pen is 15, and the next one I divided 56 by 8. I got 7, like the cost of one ball pen is 7. So it's 15:7 because we cannot like further cancel it.
Huh.
Yes.
Okay. Soumya, you understood?
Yes, ma'am. I also got 5:7.
Okay, great. 5:7, 8, 15:7.
Oh yes, 15:7.
Hmm. Okay, we'll see this one. Let's do this 15th question. Please read 15th question.
Ma'am, we have to do the 15th question, right?
Yes, Mitchell, this 15th question. Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sharing the screen with you. Okay, we were doing question number 15.
Yes, ma'am. Like you told to do.
Done. Do 15th also, then 16th also we'll do. Soumya is not there, I think. Done, Rishit?
Ma'am, I'm
So,
doing the 16th one.
okay, good. Soumya, do question 15 and then 16th also. Okay, after this we'll move to proportion part. Soumya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do 15th and then 16th.
I'm done with 16th ABCD. Ma'am, you're in mute.
Okay, children, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the 15th one, Soumya.
Ma'am, the 15th one answer is 20 rupees and 16
Loudly.
rupees. Ma'am, 20 rupees and 16 rupees.
20 rupees and 16 rupees. Okay. So, Rishit, you also got same answer?
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
Okay, rupees 20 and rupees 16. Okay. Then present age of father is 42 years. Okay, Rishit, tell me the what you got for the first one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so 16th one, first one I got it as 3:1.
Soumya, check your answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rishit is saying you also check. Yes, Rishit, what do you got for second one?
Ma'am, B1 I got 10:3.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am, correct.
C1 I got 13:6.
13 is to 6. Okay,
And D1 I got 15:1.
15 is to 1. Yes, Soumya, you got the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then we'll come to proportion part. What do you mean by proportion? Proportion means when the two
And when
ratios
the
are
two
equal.
ratios are equal.
Yes. Okay, Soumya, if two ratios are
ma'am.
equal, we say that they are in proportion. See, it's written here in bold letters also. We say that they are in proportion. And use this symbol. These four dots is the symbol. Okay. And for equal to, we put equal to sign also. Okay. And we also know that if we are given two ratios, like suppose 1 is to 2 is proportional to, I say, 2 is to 4. Okay. If this is the ratio, if these two ratios are equal, then what do we say? The product of middle terms, okay, mean terms also we say, the product of mean terms is equal to the product of extreme terms. Okay. If I multiply 2 with 2, I get 4. If I multiply 4 with 1, I get 4. So the product is the same. Okay. The product of middle terms and the product of extreme terms. Extreme terms are those terms which are at the extreme ends. Okay. Middle terms are which are in the middle. Okay, let's do. And children, please do the examples of your book. Whatever book you have, either it's NCERT or any other book, please do the examples of the book also. Always do the examples. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Determine if the following are in proportion. Okay, let's do this. We'll do C part. We'll do B. Okay. Find whether they are in proportion. Soumya, can you do this?
Yes,
See, we
ma'am.
have four numbers given. We have to show whether they are in proportion. So what we will do here, nothing is, they haven't told us this, that this is one ratio, that is one ratio, but we are assuming it to be in order. Okay, we are only assuming it that they are in order. So we take 33 by 121 and 9 by 96. We'll check whether they are in proportion. Just reduce it to lower form and say check whether you get the same answer, same fraction, both sides. Okay. So if they are equal, that means they are in
They
proportion.
are in proportion. Man, this exercise 12.2 today itself, like we did it in the school.
Okay, that's nice.
I'm like for revision.
Very good. So this is your second revision of this.
Yes, ma'am. In my school, I completed this first, so like I again practiced this question in my lab book in the school itself.
Yes, the more you practice, the better it is. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So do it. Okay, tell me what you got. Hello. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me what you got.
Yes, ma'am. So the first one, B bit, no, ma'am, it's not in proportion.
Yes, ma'am.
Not in proportion. Okay. Okay, so this is not in proportion. And what about the next?
Ma'am, next one, they are in proportion.
In proportion. Okay. Yes, Soumya, you got the same?
Ma'am, no,
No,
ma'am, they are not in proportion.
No, not in proportion. Let me check. 28 is to, and this side it is 36 by 48. So this will go by,
Ma'am, second one will go by 12.
with which number can we do this? We can do it by 4. 4, 6 will give me 24, 4, 7. So this becomes 6 by 7. And this one will be 12, 12, 4.
3 by
Yeah,
4.
3 by 4. So they are not in
They are not in
proportion.
proportion. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so not in proportion.
Yes.
So both are not in proportion. Okay. Okay, now we'll see. Let's do question number 3, C part, and then E part. Okay, C question 3, C 99 kg is to 45 kg.
Yes.
Is it saying they are equal? You have to show whether whether the statement is true. The question is asking, are the following statements true? They have written equal to sign in between.
Ma'am, C1, like they are equal. True.
Okay, they are equal. Okay,
Yes.
Soumya, what you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
for C1?
Ma'am, for C, ma'am, uh, Mom, the C.
See, that's 99 is 245. So they can go with 9. When I do this with 9, 9 nines are is 11 nines is 99. Sorry, 9 11 is 2, 9 5 is 45. Okay, when I divide this by 9, I will get 11 here and 5 here. Okay, and what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
other one? 44 and 20. 44 and 20.
Ma'am, 4 11s and 4 12s.
And 4 11. Yes, 4 11, 4 5. Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so they are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So who got not equal?
Ma'am, I got equal.
Okay.
Mom, I also got equal.
Okay. So it's equal. Do the next E1.
Ma'am,
Yes.
they are not in proportion.
Not in proportion. Yes, Soumya, what you got? 45 is to 60. 45 is to 60 is 3 is to
Ma'am, not
3.
in
3 is to 4. And this is 12 and 15. 3 4 is 12, 3 5 so 4. So they are not in proportion. Okay. 3 is to 4 and 4 is to 5. So this is false. This statement is false. This was true. Okay. Determine if the following ratios form a proportion. Also write the middle terms and extreme terms where the ratios form a proportion. Okay. So you have to, let's do this B part and C part. You have to find whether they are in proportion. And you have to mention the middle parts also and the extreme terms also. Okay. So making use of middle terms and extreme terms, we will find out whether they are in proportion. So how do we find out that? I told you product of means is equal to product of extremes. Is it? Product of means is equal to product of extremes. That means when you multiply the middle term, 39, middle terms are 65, 65 into 6 should give you 39. But always make sure that the units are same. So units are different. Never mind, but the ratios units are same. No? That's okay. So 39 into 10. Okay. Check. Check. Although they have not told you to find it this way, but they have just asked you to write the middle term and extreme terms. Hello? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
Done? Done?
No.
Why are you taking so long in this? Is there any problem? Yes,
No,
Soumya, Rishit, are you facing any problem in this?
no, no, like suddenly my pen ink got finished, so that's the reason I got my new.
What is pending?
Ma'am, the ink in my pen got finished, ma'am. That's why, like, I went to
Okay,
go
okay,
bring a new.
okay, okay. See, this is what you have to do here, okay? Product of means is equal to product of extremes.
Extreme.
So here the mean terms are 65 and 6. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
took the product of means. Extreme terms are 39 and 10. Okay, so I have taken the product of extremes. Okay. Similarly, do the C part also. So here when you multiply, you get 390. Here when you multiply, you get 3 here,
T
and
is true.
that's equal.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, do this one C part. Yes, Harya. Then we'll move to unitary method also. Okay, what is
And
the
they're
next
not in
one? They are not in proportion.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. They're not in proportion.
Okay, what are the ratios you got?
Now I got 1 by 40 and 1 by 25.
Okay. No, you didn't do like this product of means and product of extremes. Huh? Or you did individually. You found this ratio and you found this ratio.
Ma'am, I did individually.
Whichever way you do, that's correct. Okay.
Ma'am, because 625 is the big number.
Uh-huh.
So
So
like
625 will get multiplied with 2
2.
and 80 will get multiplied with 25.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Although they have not asked in this question that you have to do with the middle terms and extreme terms, but in case if you get any question in the exam that find out whether the ratios are in proportion by taking the product of means and extremes, then you have to actually take the product of means and extremes and equate them. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to unitary method. Unitary means unit for 1 unit. So whatever we are given, we always find for 1 unit first. Okay. Please do the examples also. Okay. I'll just take any question from here. Let's do this question number 2. Okay. Ekta earns rupees 3,000 in 10 days. How much will she earn in 30 days? You do this sum by the time I'll clear the sides. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got
Okay.
rupees 9,000.
Rupees 9,000 is what? In 30 days. She's earning in 30
Yes,
days. Rishit, you got the same answer? Okay. So next one we'll do. Let's do the fourth question. Okay. Children, do fourth question. Soumya, read the question.
Yes, ma'am. Cost of 5 kg of wheat is rupees 91.50. What
50.
will be the cost of 8 kg of wheat? What quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 183?
Yes. Done. Start doing. Yes. Tell me the first part, Soumya.
Ma'am, I got rupees 146.20 rupees.
Rupees 146.20 paise.
20.
Okay. So cost of 5 kg of Rishit, you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 5 kg of wheat is given. So find for 1 kg how much 1 kg wheat cost. Okay, that will be rupees 91.50 divided by 5. So whatever you get, that gives you the cost of 1 kg wheat. And so what will be the cost of 8 kg? So you multiply that with 8, you will get the cost for 180,
Yes.
80 kgs. Okay, now do the next one. What quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 183? Have you done this, Soumya?
No, ma'am.
Do it.
I also didn't get this.
Do this. So in 183 rupees, how much wheat can you purchase? This is what they are asking. Okay. So what will you do? First find uh, in how much, in how many rupees 1 kg wheat can be purchased. What did you get here? What was the cost of 1 wheat?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
18.30.
18.30.
30.
Okay, 18.3. So
Hmm.
that means in rupees 18.30, you are getting 1 kg wheat. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means in rupees 183.
Ma'am, 10.
So how much wheat will you get?
10.
10.
Huh?
Ma'am, is it
1
10?
minute, ma'am.
This much? Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
183, and I will remove the decimal from here. That if I remove the decimal from here, what do I get? I will take the reciprocal of this. Is it? It becomes
Yes.
reciprocal. It goes
Yes.
up. So this will become 183 and multiplied by 100. I take the reciprocal, so all this will come down. Okay. And this will go with this 1. So you get just 10 kg. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this? Okay. Hello, have you understood this? What I
Yes,
did
ma'am.
here? Otherwise, you
Yes.
can report from here only. 183 यहाँ पर है and just remove the decimals. So, you will get to know from here only. Otherwise, this is the calculation. Okay. Okay, as we are doing for unitary method. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yes, ma'am.
rupees 18.30, you get 1 kg. In rupee 1, how much will you get? So that was 1 by 18.3. So that's how I got 1.18.30. And in 183 rupees, I will multiply 183. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's do one more sum. Time is coming closer. Let's do 7th question. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is given. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 90? 90 rupees, how many bananas can be purchased? Four dozens is how many bananas?
Ma'am, 48.
48.
4 dozen is
48
48.
bananas.
Yes. So 48 bananas can be purchased in rupees 180. Okay. 48 bananas can be purchased in rupees 180.
Fine.
So I'll write it like this other way. In 180
Yes.
rupees, that means I can purchase 48 bananas. Is it same thing?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means in 1
Yes, ma'am.
rupee, how many bananas I can purchase? 48 by 180. Is it? In 1 rupee, I can purchase this much banana. And I am asked to find for rupees 90. So in 90 rupees, how many bananas I can purchase? 48 by 180 into 90. Okay. 0, 0 cancels. 9 ones are, 9 twos are. Then 2 with 48 again it cancels. 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. So that means 24 bananas. In 90 rupees, I can purchase 24 bananas. Understood this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
Soumya,
ma'am.
is it clear to you? Is the chapter clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
shall we
ma'am.
wind up today? The class time is over. Please practice this, okay? Do the example sums and do many sums of this chapter, okay?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow. We have class on Friday now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Good night.